Hello, Sir Darwin. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 French Army or Coyote. Okay, so ito yung black tan. Tapos merong front serration and rear serration. Okay, yeah. Tapos meron din siyang parang, ano ba, di ko alam kung tawag. Ano to kabitan ng lanyard, kinakabit dito sa ilalim. Okay, so yun. Tapos yung magazine niya, yan, black tan din. Okay. So, meron din siyang backstrap, dalawa. Black tan din. Okay. Tsaka meron din pin. Okay. So, ito sir, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay. So, yung magazine, nilagyan ko na ng gas. Okay, tsaka bala. Yan, 8 pieces ang nilagay ko. Testingin na naman natin eh. Okay, so testingin natin FPS, blowback, tapos accuracy. Alright, so ito, turning on the chronograph. So, inserting the magazine. Okay, so firing. Yan, 353.6. 349.3. 346. And 339.6. Okay? Okay naman yung blowback. Tsaka yung FPS. So ngayon, proceed tayo sa accuracy test, no? For the accuracy test, the target box is 2.3 distance away. 2.3 meters away from me. Okay? And yung target na binabaril natin is 2 inches in diameter. Okay? So send ko na sa yung picture afterwards. Okay? So ito, barilin na natin yung target. Alright? So yan, nag-open na yung slide. Removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay? So, to reset, to make balik-balik is pull back the slide. Release. Hammer down. Okay? So, ayun sir, okay na tong unit nyo. So, yung accuracy test natin, halos nasa may gitna naman lahat. So, kahit siguro piso or kahit 1 inches, kaya kong tamaan yung natong baril na to at 2.3 meters. Okay? So, ayun sir. So, papako na to din. Papadala ko na sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you for your order, sir. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.